Hello students, this is Amardeep Singh, your ICT teacher, and today we are going to continue with the same topic, cascading style sheets. In this session we'll discuss about external style sheets and we'll discuss what is external style sheet, creating external style sheet, and linking an external style sheet to a web page. So let's start with the topic. First we'll discuss what is external style sheet. Define a style rule in a separate file is called external style sheet. We have to save external style sheet file with CSS extension. After creation, we have to link CSS file with a web page using link tag. That means till the date we have used inline and internal style sheet. Inline and internal style sheets are a part of the same web page, and we define all the style rules inside the HTML file. But in case of external style sheet, we have to link that file to we have to write the code, style rule code inside a separate file. Next we'll discuss about advantages of using external style sheet. Using external style sheet you can define a standard style sheet for all web pages of a website. That means we can define a global style for all the web pages of a website. So that means there is no need to define separate internal style sheet inside these web pages. We have to define a single styles rule in a style sheet, and that style will be implemented on all the web pages of a website. That is the main advantage of using external style sheet. Advantages, we will discuss about how to create external style sheet. We can create external style sheet by defining style rule in a separate file. There is no need to define style tag inside that file. For example, you have to open a notepad or any text editor. Inside that you have to start writing your style rules directly first line from first line like this. You have to specify, you can specify element selector or a class selector or ID selector also. And after writing all the style rules, you have to save that file with CSS extension. So let's start how to create external style sheet. Just open notepad or any text editor that you want. Just start typing directly, no need to specify any tag in this file. I'll use external style sheet and element selector inside that. Just specify any property. Still we are using color and background properties for demonstration. Color red semicolon, background colon yellow. This one is an element selector. Then we can also define some class selector inside that. I'll just specify color blue, background colon again yellow. I'll specify. Then you can also specify some ID selector also, but there is no need to define all the separate selectors here. I'm just defining all type of selectors for demonstration purpose only. Background red. So after defining all type of style rules inside this file, you have to click on save file, then save, then give any name to this file, like I'll specify my style.css and save it. After creation of an external style sheet, we'll discuss about how we can link a style sheet to a web page. Link tag is used to link an external style sheet to a web page to apply styles on a web page. So here we are having a syntax of link tag, link. Then we are having three attributes, a rel, type, and href. Rel we have to specify, that is known as relation link. Rel equal to style sheet, then type equal to text slash css, then href equal to the name of that style sheet file. So here we are having example, link rel equal to style sheet, type equal to text slash css, then href equal to the name of the file, that means mystyle.css. So let's start with that example. Let's suppose we are having this web page and we didn't specify any style on the tags or on the contents of this web page. So open this page in Notepad. Now I want to link that style sheet to this page. So what I have to do, inside head tag you have to write link rel equals to style sheet. Then after that type equals to text slash css. Then after that href equals to mystyle.css. This name, then after that close. This name is the name of that style sheet file. Which one? This one. This one is mystyle.css file, and this name you have to specify in here in this. Then save it and refresh. Now you can check we have specified that style, and for this one, because in this style sheet we have specified style for we have defined style rule for h1, and these are two class selector and id selector, and as a developer you have to specify where you want to apply this style. So let's suppose on all the on this paragraph I want to apply that abc class. Then here I have to write class equals to abc, then save it. Then now you can check that style, this one style is now applied on that p tag. Now I want to apply this style sheet style rule on xyz id on second paragraph. Then I have to specify id equals to xyz, then save it and refresh that one. So in this way you can specify, you can link an external external style sheet to your web page, and you can apply style on that web page also. And the second the benefit of this file, that you can link the same style sheet file to multiple pages. For example, I want to link that file to another page also. Then open another page, then again type the same link rel equal to style sheet, type equals to text slash css, then href is equal to mystyle.css, save it. Here we are having only one h1 tag, so now you can check h1 tag got that style. Now I want to apply another style id and class on these two elements also. For example, on h3 I will apply class equals to abc, and on paragraph I'll apply id equals to xyz, save it and check. Now you can check So that's all about how we can link an external style sheet to a web page. So that is all about how we can create an external style sheet and link that style sheet to a web page, to a single web page or multiple web pages. So if you are having any kind of doubt related to this topic, then feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you very much.